It started with just one reply, nothing serious, right? Then came a reply, then conversation. The heart knew it wasn't right, but it said it's harmless. And step by step the heart walks closer to what Allah said, do not go near. Satan decorates the forbidden, he make haram look comforting and sin feel like love. That's how Satan works. He doesn't tell you to sin, he tells you to just talk, just scroll, but when you pull away, when you say Astaghfirullah and shut down the door, the angels celebrate because you just defeated the whisper. Allah says in Quran Surah Al-Isra 17:32, and do not approach adultery, indeed it is ever an immorality and is evil as a way. Guard your heart before the sin reaches it. Purity is protection, not restriction. Purity isn't punishment, it's protection every time you walk away from temptation. Allah replaces it with something purer and lasting. Stay near Allah, not near the whisper. Comment, Ya Allah, protect our hearts. Share this reminder, someone might need this warning today.